Welcome to this algebra lesson on the power of a product rule. Today, we are going to learn how to handle exponents when they are applied to a group of multiplied terms, like x times y to the power of a. First, let's quickly review the basics. In an expression like x to the power of a, x is called the base, and a is the exponent or power. This means we multiply the base x by itself a number of times. Here is the power of a product rule. It states that to find a power of a product, you must find the power of each factor and then multiply. Mathematically, x times y, all raised to the power of a, is equal to x to the times y to the a the exponent distributes to every factor inside the parentheses. Why does this work? Let's look at xy cubed. This expands to xy times xy. We can regroup these terms to put all the x's together and all the y's together. We get x times x multiplied by y times y. This simplifies to x cubed times y cubed. Let's verify this with real numbers using 2 times 4 squared. If we follow standard order of operations, 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 squared is 64. If we use our new rule, we square the 2 and square the 4 separately. 2 squared is 4, and 4 squared is 16. 4 times 16 is also 64. It works perfectly. Now let's simplify an algebraic expression, 3x all squared. We distribute the exponent of 2 to the 3, and to the x this gives us 3 squared times x squared. Since 3 squared is 9, our final answer is 9x squared. What if there are negatives or multiple variables? Let's look at -2ab all cubed. We have 3 factors here, -2a and b. We cube each one individually. -2 cubed is -8. A cubed is just a cubed, and b cubed is b cubed. So the result is -8, a cubed b cubed. Warning, there is a very common mistake to avoid. You cannot distribute an exponent over addition. X plus y all squared is not equal to x squared plus y squared. For example, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 squared is 49. But 3 squared plus 4 squared is only 25. They are not the same. Here are 3 practice problems to test your understanding. For 5a squared, remember to square the 5. For xy to the 4th, all cubed, multiply those exponents. And for -2x to the 4th, remember that an even power makes the negative sign positive. To summarize, the power of a product rule says you can distribute the exponent to factors being multiplied. However, you must never distribute an exponent to terms that are being added or subtracted. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit xᵃyᵃ.com for more such useful content.